How to stay strong when things get tough in life. We all go through the tough times. Hey everyone, I hope you're well. My name is Bongani, and I'm just here for a few minutes. Just borrow me your time. Let me talk to your inner you. Life could be a roller coaster sometimes, hey? Sometimes we are soaring so high, and other times we feel like we are stuck in a deep valley. It happens to all of us. What do you do when things get really, really tough? You might be losing a job. You might be losing your loved ones. You might be going through some financial struggles. You might be going through your spiritual struggles. You might be losing family and friends. You must be just going through a roller coaster. How do you stay strong? I'm here today to talk about that. Stay with me. Just stay with me. I'm not gonna be long. When things get really tough, it feels like it is impossible to manage these things, to go through these things. Other thoughts, negative thoughts, they come flowing into our minds. They overtake our thoughts, and we fall into negative thoughts because things are really, really tough. As we continue, let me remind you, don't forget that you are stronger than you think. If you can just look back and see how many tough times you've overcome, and encourage yourself with those moments of victory. That's why I'm saying to you, don't forget that you are stronger than you think. In this video, I want to give you the most powerful tools everyone uses to overcome tough times. This is hope and faith. These are divine tools. You cannot purchase them in any hardware store, but they are built in to all of us, and we can use them anytime. Hope and faith. What is hope in tough times? Hope is like believing that things will get better, even when it feels like there is nothing going right, even if it feels like everything is falling apart. Have hope. Hope, it's like believing that things will get better. Hope is that inner voice that is telling you, don't give up. Use it. Have it. Keep adjusting yourself with hope day by day. Keep encouraging yourself with hope. Hope, it's believing that things will get better. That's the first powerful tool that I want you to take. Think about a time you really wanted to change your life. Maybe the time you wanted to learn a new skill, or maybe achieve a certain goal. You kept believing that you can do it. That was hope. And trust me, you did it. Just like me. The other day I was teaching myself how to do graphic designs. I was teaching myself how to do website development, and I had hope that I can do it. Now I have a website that is online. Now I can do some graphic designs for corporate, and I kept believing that I can do it. That is hope in action. Even when things are tough, things are messy, like losing a job, like losing your loved one, like facing a breakup, a relationship breakup, keep having hope. Many people go through these things, and you know what? They keep believing that they will get another job. They will fall in love again. They don't kill themselves. That's hope in action. Use this tool to encourage yourself to get back into alignment so that you can keep moving. Secondly, it's faith. What is faith? Faith is like trusting that you are not alone. There's a superpower that is looking after you. There's a crowd of divine power that is making sure that you are safe, you are covered. That is faith. It's knowing that there is something powerful, bigger than yourself, something that supports you. Some people find comfort in their religion, in their spirituality journey. They believe in higher powers that's always governing their lives and protecting their lives. They have faith in that. Others find faith in their trusted friends and family members. They know that no matter what happens, I have people around me that will carry me, that will support me and help me to overcome this situation. That's faith. Above all, we all have faith in God. We have faith in God that is watching us. We know that He is going to answer all our prayers. Hope and faith are not magic, though. You also have to play your part. How do you do that? Focus on the positive things. That's number one. Even on a bad day, there is something good that is happening. It could be a good sunshine day. It could be having such a nice meal with friends, laughter. Though things are not going okay, things are bad, but not everything is bad on that day. Focus on the positive things. Number two, be kind to yourself. Don't beat up yourself when things are tough. Trust me, everyone makes mistakes. Thirdly, talk to someone you trust. Sometimes just talking things out can make a big difference. And fourthly, find things that makes you happy. Spend time with people who loves you. Do a hobby that you love. Or try to help others. Get involved in your community service. The last one, never give up on your dreams. Even if things get hard, keep moving forward. One step at a time. Hope and faith are inner strength that keeps us going even we are faced with difficult times. They remind us that we are not alone and that better days are just ahead of us. So next time you are facing a challenge, remember these two powerful tools and keep on fighting a good fight of victory with hope and faith. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can build this big community of encouraging one another and inspiring each other with positive messages on the life therapy. Thank you for watching.